Here we go. Time for the last matchup of the Outdoor Kitchen Tournament in the opening round before we get to the quarterfinals, where you decide which one is the better one, A or B. Vote in the comment section to decide who's going to advance to the quarterfinals. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. So here we go. Match 8. Here's barbecue kitchen number A, and this one is, like most of them, a CMU block kitchen. This is actually how it was built. CMU block, we run the poly pipe underground so we can supply that nice natural gas. It has that polished concrete countertop, a little overhang there for the bar stools. Really just a beautiful polished concrete. Really just, a gorgeous job these guys did. And the usual kind of, you have a refrigerator, a barbecue, and a little side burner. So really lots of fun stuff to cook with. Letter B is a little bit different style. Still has a polished concrete countertop, but this one has a really nice stone facade. It's a little smaller, a little simpler, still has that polished concrete, but again, beautiful facade. And it's also integrated in that if you notice with the pillars, we've wrapped them with the same facade and the same concrete countertop. So vote in the comment section, A or B. Cast your vote to decide which one of these two beautiful barbecues is going to advance to the quarterfinals. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe, and leave me a comment section if you have something you want to add to this competition about what you look for in an outdoor kitchen. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.